time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. Christmas is a magic day.
So guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so tired. Like, honestly, like, the whole vibe, the whole energy from, where am I going? The whole vibe, the whole energy from just this work, this, all of this, just like, it's just so much. And it has just given me the thought of just quitting, leaving it alone, just finding something else on the agenda. I've thought about this day in, day out, about just calling it quits with this career and the struggles that come with it, all of the ups and the downs, all of the just the problems. Like, honestly, like on a daily basis, I don't think my mind is at ease. I don't think I'm at peace. I don't think I am relaxed. I have a lot, and my energy is always on a low every time I realize that it's a new morning to go to school. So it's not that I don't want to go to work, it's just that it's the job that I am doing, and it's just the whole energy from it, the whole energy, the whole vibe, the whole hesitation, the whole stress, you know, everything. And day in, day out, I like literally consider this to say that, is it that I'm lazy, or is it that I just don't want to work, or is it that I'm just having a problem with the type of job, or is it just myself? But it's not me. It's not me. It's the job. It's the job. It's the challenges that comes with it. I know nothing is easy. I know in life there are a lot of things with problems that is attached to it, but it's just a job. And at this point, I think I'm just at a crossroad where I really want to say, this is it, calling it quits, calling it, you know, calling it all of the things that I want to do to give myself peace. Because in life, in whatever you're doing, you need to have that level of peace. I don't have that level of peace. I don't have that level of peace. I am just logging in a way where I can't just be happy. So I'm logging back, like I am just, you know, if somebody a log behind, it's just like me, like just happiness, peace, you know. And the level of appreciation given towards what is done daily is like, there's no appreciation towards it, no appreciation. And sometimes, you know, the little things that you look for, where are the little things you expect to encourage you, that little thing is not even there. It's not there, and you have to be trying to source it for yourself. especially when I know being a teacher, there's not a lot. Listen, if you're not in it for what it is, like, you know, even though dot the T's, dot the I's, understand that no, cross the T's, dot the I's. I guess I should say cross the dot the J, dot the I, cross the T. You know, cross the T's and dot the I's, and just have the understanding of this is what you're supposed to get from it. Then you're gonna be uncomfortable. You're going to be miserable. All right, and be miserable with everything that is of this entire career. And if you're going to do something that you are going to be miserable about, upset about it, sorry about the lighting, because I'm going home, you know, I'm going home. I left home before lights, going home, the same type of vibe, darkness. Like, I spend like more than 12 hours out of my life. By the time I reach home, it's night. It's literally night. It look bright, but I don't know. So I don't know. This Vlogmas video today kind of different. Me kind of just like give out like that feeling, that expression, that just the hair is not fresh. On this side, the hair is not fresh. The hair not fresh. The breeze are blowing, but the hair not fresh. Like, you know. Yep. So me just feel like me don't want to cross over. Me just I'm like, you know, and you're not being appreciated. What neither financially, emotionally, mentally, physically, in no way. I don't feel as if what I do on a daily is appreciated. I don't feel like I'm getting that, you know, that level of appreciation just to say you deserve this, or you're such a wonderful this and that, like, you know, not did I encourage it, and just not being encouraged right here, and I'm just at the road, reach at the road where me just like, and this video is not a video to discourage anybody. Every time I come here and I do a video that expresses how I feel about this career, people think that I am cutting away people's joy or other people's, like, what them want to do. But if this is your career, go at it. It's the only time I am excited is when I get extra time, extra holiday, and I'm getting extra holiday, I'm getting holiday. That's the only time I'm happy. I'm happy because me I stay on my yard. And as I said, it's not that I don't want to work, it's just that this job, I don't look forward to going to work. I don't. You know, I don't look forward to going to work. So probably I need to go back to the drawing board. I'm not too old to get a new career going. I love YouTube, but YouTube ain't going to be the full-on thing because my subscriber level is up there. The views ain't cutting it, so I don't know. But I need to go back to the drawing board to figure things out, to analyze things, because bills gotta be paid. Belly have to stock up. I don't know, me always a shop. I gotta make sure the side of me that requires relaxation is well put together, well fixed up, well nice and everything. So this is one of those videos that I am just ranting. I am just expressing myself. I'm at the crossroad, people. I'm at the crossroad. I'm shouting. Why am I shouting at you? I'm at it, and I give up on myself, who I am, and who I really am. And it's like I'm just not doing anything. I don't get the time to do anything. I don't that's it. Yo, that's it. Yeah, man.